So let us consider this problem on integrals, which falls under the category estimation of integrals. So we have to find the or estimate that whether the given integral 0 to 2 dx by 2 plus x square, you have to show that it lies between the range of half and 5. So let us consider the graph of the function f of x, which equals to 1 over 2 plus x square over the interval 0 to 2. So as you can see, the value of f dash x is minus 2x over 2 plus x square, which is less than 0 for all values of x lying between 0 to 2. So we can expect the graph of the function to be a decreasing function. Also, the value of f of 0 is 1 by 2, and the value of f of 2 is 1 over 2 plus 2 square, which is 1 by 6. So let us sketch this graph. So let me mark the points. So 1 by 6, at this point we have the value of half, so we'll write 0 comma half, and somewhere here the value will be 1 by 6, so we write this point as 2 comma 1 by 6. So if we sketch the graph of fx, we'll find that it will be something that will go like this. So this is how the graph will look like. Now let us consider a point 1 which lies at the midpoint of this interval. So we also calculate the value of f1. So f1 will be 1 over 2 plus 1 squared, which is 1 by 3. Now as you can see, this integral, it will be representing this particular area, which is bounded by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the boundary of this curve. So now I am considering two rectangles over here. One rectangle is this, and the other rectangle is this. So as you can see, the integral value, which is the area bounded by the curve and the x and y axis, this is certainly less than the area of these two rectangles over here. So we calculate the area of these two rectangles. So this length is 1, this length is also 1. This height from here to here is 1 by 3, and this height from here to here is half. So we'll say integral 0 to 2 dx over 2 plus x square is less than or equal to 1 times of half plus 1 times of 1 by 3, which simplifies to 5 by 6. Similarly, if we consider two more rectangles, one which is this blue one, and the other is this rectangle, which is from here to here. So you will see that this integral will be definitely greater than the sum of the areas of these two blue rectangles over here. And this height is 1 by 3 from here to here, and this is 1 by 6. So we write 1 times of 1 by 3 plus 1 times of 1 by 6, which is like half. So we have proved this.